Now, you've probably heard about Generative Extend in Premiere Pro Beta, but did you know that it works for audio as well? Generative Extend uses Adobe's generative AI model Firefly to allow you to extend the length of both video and audio clips that are too short right in Premiere Pro. Let me give you a quick example. Now, I know you've seen me extend video with Generative Extend in the past, but check this out when I extend the audio this time as well. Generative Extend works perfectly, seamlessly filling the gap with a lifelike room tone. It's pretty useful, right? But here's where it gets tricky. When I try to extend this one, it stops working. That's because Generative Extend cannot handle audio with music or vocals in it. This limitation makes sense due to potential copyright issues with music and potential privacy concerns over individual voices, but I'd love to see a version where instead of just not working, it just fades the music and the vocals out and extends the ambient room tone underneath. That would smooth out transitions and make the tool even more versatile. For now, if you're just working with ambient sounds, Generative Extend is an absolute lifesaver. Hopefully we'll see it evolve so that it can handle more complex audio situations in the future. Hey guys, if you video edit, comment below. And if you need a video editor, comment below. Let's make a connection.